Alrighty guys, I just thought I'd show you a couple of the rigs that I've got in my backyard here. So just starting off with the Fornetto Razzo, the 22-inch bullet style, and then I've got the Dragon, or sometimes they call it the Acorn as well. The black one's the Acorn, but same. And then got the Ozpig. Now usually that's my little camping buddy. And then I pop a rotisserie on that at times, and I can do everything from picanha to things like roast pork belly, crispy pork belly. That's my Big Joe. Then usually I'm running either a SmartFire on that or a CyberQ Wi-Fi, and that gets me some sleep. Yoder loaded Wichita, and then that's Jarrah. It's not the best size, that stuff, but I just run with it. It does alright. And this little epoxy thing, I don't even know what that is. Little Weber copy, but that does the trick. And then I got my little venting system, so doesn't do too bad. If you look where the Kamado is, there's a fair bit of staining there, but over here where I've ducted it away, it's pretty sweet. And then I've also got the Weber Performer and also the Weber Go Anywhere. Last but not least. Cheers.